How to download and install Hellenic Bank mobile banking app. Let's see this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. The mobile banking app of Hellenic Bank can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So the first step is you need to open up your Google Play Store on your device. Once you are here, you need to tap on the search bar at the upper section. You have to search for Hellenic Bank mobile app. Once you do that, the search results will be available with this app. You have to simply tap on install option on the right hand side, and it will take a few minutes to download it on your device, which depends upon your internet connection. Once you install the app, you can open it up and you'll be able to use the various banking services of Hellenic Bank. You can either create or log into your account. You'll be able to see all of your transactions and incomes or anything on your bank account. Moreover, you'll be able to have privacy verification, which will secure your bank account. There are so many options or the services that you can use easily on your Hellenic Bank mobile banking app. After a few minutes, you can see mobile banking app of Hellenic Bank has been installed on my device. You can simply tap on open option from over here and you can log into your account. So this is how you download and install Hellenic Bank mobile banking app. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.